Now I will introduce you to the Post Replies feature. This feature allows you to edit comment responses post by post, so you can customize responses based on post. You can specify a response message for each post with the following steps. First, log into Kaojao and then choose Manage Page and Auto Response System option. Choose the page you would like to set up this feature and then click on Manage. Go to the Auto Reply section and click on Post Replies. You can now turn on your desired response preference, then click on Turn on specific post reply. For this post, I will choose Comment Reply, Private Reply to a Comment, Keyword Reply. The keyword is Hi. No. Sorry, I will change it to Material. The comment reply is hello dear customer, our bedsheets are made from 100% cotton, and I will add some picture too. Like this, and then click Turn on specific post reply. After that, when your customer comments on the post, such as material, now the system will automatically reply with a message that you have set, like this.